You guys love my adding too many ingredients to slime series, and today I have more fun and exciting slime recipes that I really wanted to test out. Some of these looked absolutely amazing and I can't wait to show you guys the results. You gotta have sprinkles if you love slime, so I wanted to try adding too many sprinkles into my slime. First, we're gonna make ourselves some clear slime, and you can find my clear slime recipe on my slime channel, which you should definitely check out. It's called How to Slime, and I've linked it in the description box. Anyways, it's a mix of clear glue, water, glycerin, and activator. And you just mix them all together until you get these large globs of slime, which don't look very nice at all. But don't worry, just massage your slime with your hands and eventually it'll all smooth out, and then add in more activator slowly to thicken it up. Once the texture feels good, you'll need to set it aside for around 24 to 48 hours for the bubbles to all clear up. Now we're gonna add too many sprinkles into my slime. I got these super cute ones here, and I'm just gonna add them one by one into my clear slime. First type of sprinkles were classic sprinkles, the second type were hearts, the next one were round dots, the last were flower petals. I kinda didn't want to ruin this, but let's see what it turns out like. Honestly, this slime looks super pretty, and after I took it out, I decided I could add even more, so here goes some Mickey Mouse sprinkles. The slime was clicky, crunchy, and super colorful, so I really loved it. So I've seen a bunch of floral foam videos on Instagram and they're so satisfying, but I haven't seen it used much in slime to be honest, so I really wanted to try it. First we're gonna take a block of foam and cut it up into rectangles. Now we're gonna take some clear slime and add some pink food coloring in it. I definitely love the look and feel of clear slime. I can't help but play with it whenever I make it, which always leads to a lot of air bubbles, but it's totally worth it. And they eventually go away anyways. So let's pour on our pink clear slime straight onto the foam blocks. This is definitely way more floral foam than I've ever seen added into slime, so it'll be super interesting to see what it turns out like. So next you're meant to squeeze or crush the floral foam into your slime, but honestly this was a lot harder than it looked, and I kind of had to use my nails to dig into the foam. Anyways, I eventually managed to crush up all the foam. Once I started to mix everything in, I found the feeling of the slime really strange. It felt quite light because it was foam, but also dense and rubbery at the same time. It also made this amazing bubbly sound when mixing, which was super satisfying to listen to. It looked and felt like a cloud slime, which I didn't expect at all. The more I played with it, the firmer it got, which I'm assuming is because I'm squeezing the air out, and eventually it just kind of felt like a firm rubber ball. I love charms, and we have a bunch of super cute ones here, so we're gonna make a candy themed slime using these charms. Just start off with some white glue and add some activator in, mixing slowly as you add more. Once it's all mixed together, you'll have a super basic tacky white slime. Next, take some red or pink Daiso clay and break off a piece to add into your white slime. I purposefully didn't add any food coloring to my slime because I wanted a more pastel slime, and the Daiso clay gives me plenty of color once it's mixed in. And it's always so satisfying to press the clay into slime, so I usually try to find reasons to use Daiso clay. After adding your clay, you'll end up with a super soft, creamy, smooth slime that is perfect for playing with and of course, making a slime poop. So just like those slime stores, I just popped the slime into a clear container and placed a few cute charms inside to match the candy theme. This is pretty much the standard amount of charms you would see in your slime. I rarely see a ton of charms, but that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Check out all these super cute slime charms I got, and now we're gonna mix all of them into this slime and see what it looks like. So first impressions was that it felt really chunky. Also, I realized this would probably be better with clear slime because you can't actually see the charms through this opaque slime, which kind of ruined it. So maybe I'll try clear slime next time. The charms did make the slime quite clicky and crunchy sounding, but yeah, not the best end result in my opinion, so definitely not keeping this slime. I popped it into some vinegar so I could save the pretty charms. So for this slime, we're going to be adding a bit of a strange ingredient, which are some super cute small colored tiles. Oh my gosh, aren't they so pretty? I got a pink set and a blue set and ended up using both. I'm honestly not even sure what they're used for normally. Probably not making slime. But I thought they were really cute and would go perfect in a clear slime. So I decided to be a little extra and arrange them into a rectangular shape for some reason. Don't ask me why, and don't ask me how long this took. Anyways, now it's time to pour my slime on. This honestly looks so pretty and I almost didn't want to mix everything up. When I started to mix the tiles into my slime, I kind of realized it felt like fishbowl slime. The pieces were kind of glossy and made a similar crunchy sound when mixing them into the slime. I definitely love this slime. It looks super pretty, and these tiles can definitely be used as a substitute for fishbowl beads if you want to try this yourself. Let me know which one of these slimes was your favorite and comment other things you'd like to see me add into slime. Love you, bye!